Let's continue with MCQ number 15. A triangular yard has a base of 12 meters and height of 9 meters. What is its area? A is equal to 36 meters squared. Letter B, 54 meters squared. Letter C, 72 meters squared. Letter D, 108 meters squared. MCQ number 16. A rectangular swimming pool is 25 meters long and 10 meters wide. What is its perimeter? A, 50 meters. B, 60 meters. C, 70 meters. D, 80 meters. MCQ number 17. A square dining room has a side of 15 meters. What is its area? A, 150 meters squared. B, 120 meters squared. C, 225 meters squared. Letter D, 250 meters squared. Number 18. A rectangular garden is 18 meters long and 12 meters wide. What is its area? A, 216 meters squared. B, 228 meters squared. C, 240 meters squared. D, 250 meters squared. MCQ number 19. A rectangular space has sides of 7 meters, 8 meters, and 9 meters. What is its perimeter? A, 22 meters. B, 23 meters. C, 24 meters. D, 25 meters. MCQ number 20. A rectangular lot is 30 meters long and 20 meters wide. What is its perimeter? Answer key for our quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson Roman numeral number 5, calculating area and perimeter in residential spaces and layouts. Number 1, it's letter B, 48 meters squared. Number 2, the correct answer is letter C, 48 meters. Number 3, the correct answer is letter C, 50 meters squared. Number 4, the correct letter is B, 70 meters. Number 5, the correct letter is B, 154 meter squared. Number 6, the correct answer is D, 625 meters squared. Number 7, the correct answer is D, 28 meters. Number 8, the correct answer is letter D, 50 meters squared. Number 10, the correct answer is C, 36 meters. Number 10, the correct answer is C, 31.4 meters. For MCQ number 11, the correct answer is C, 24 meters. For number 12, the correct answer is C, 108 meters squared. For number 13, the correct answer is D, 36 meters. Number 14, the correct answer is letter C, 88 meters. Letter number 15, the correct answer is letter B, 54 meters squared. For number 16, the correct answer is letter D, 70 meters. For number 17, the correct answer is letter C, 225 meters squared. Number 18, the correct answer is letter A, 216 meters squared. Number 19, the correct answer is letter C, 24 meters. And then number 20, the correct letter is D, 100 meters. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.